Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you want to be able to curl your hair and have it done smoothly, then check out this 3-in-1 curling flat iron straightener from the Kristin Ess store. Besides the flat iron, they also offer this heat protection spray, which is super awesome to have because anytime you're using a hot tool, you want to be able to protect your hair from being damaged. The spray is super easy to use. Spray it to wet or dry hair and then comb it through for easy distribution. I have liked this dry mist spray, especially for making it a little bit more silky and soft feeling. Has been really nice when you touch your hair. You are able to control the heat. It has 4 different temperatures, and then it indicates to you which temperature it is on. I do have rather thin hair, so being on the first or the second temperature is pretty good for me. And I also really like that this heats up very quickly, and so you don't have to wait for a long time in the morning when you're trying to get ready. I also have enjoyed how smooth the flat iron runs through your hair. It doesn't get stuck in anything. The way that the edges are a little bit more beveled, I believe does help with the way that it easily rotates through your hair. If you're in need of a curling or a flat iron, then check this one out. It's going to be able to do so many different styles with your hair, and you're really going to like it. And that's my point of view.